My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the new browser hijacker that is called Quick PDF Converter Search. Quick PDF Converter Search is correctly classified as a browser hijacker. This is because it changes a lot of crucial browser settings without the customer's approval or permission. Quick PDF Converter Search may change the default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab URL. Quick PDF Converter Search is often spread through integration with some free applications. In most of the cases, people download and install it pretty unintentionally. So this is the reason why it is also considered fairly to be the potentially unwanted program. Whenever you submit some search queries, you may soon get the results by some other unfamiliar search engine. For instance, in this particular case, I get the results by some nearbyme.io fake search engine. In some other cases, the results may be delivered by Bing, by Yahoo, or by some other fake search engines that have not been chosen by you initially. So, to remove this browser hijacker, you need to get rid of any third-party browser extensions. Go to the menu More Tools, Extensions, and if you find any third-party extensions available here, get rid of them. Disable and delete them. I also recommend that you research your system additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Using this green download button, install the software and start carefully researching your device with its help to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.